KK Java Tutorials. In this video of MySQL video tutorial, we will talk about the where clause in MySQL database, right? So let's try to understand the all concept and finally we'll jump into the some practical example. Yeah. So when to use a where clause is basically used to filter records, right? It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. As far as where clause syntax concerned, you have to use something like this. When you use where clause in select, then list of the columns you are interested to select. If you are interested to select all the columns, then instead of giving the column name with the comma separated, you can give the asterisk or star, so that you can select all the columns, right, from table. And where clause you can put the condition, right. One thing you have to keep in mind, where clause not only we use with the only select statement, but it can be also used with the update and delete statement as well. Yeah. Now the operators what we are using with the where clause, like equals, greater than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, not equal can be represented in two form, right? This is not equal, and also you can specify not equal in something like this, right? Then between, right? Between a certain range, if you want to select something between a certain range, then you can use that one. You can also use like operator for pattern search, right? And finally in, right, in to specify multiple possible values for a column, right? So let's try to understand through an example. So let's jump to the practical example. So here is the MySQL, and already you have seen this table, a student table we had created in the past videos, and we had inserted many records, and these are the records. So let's start with the very simple where clause. So I'm going to write select star from student, and here of course you can write the where clause. Let's say where clause id equals to, I'm going to put 10, right? Pretty simple. So it is giving me the record with the id 10. Very simple basically condition in the where clause, right? So we are interested for the record, right? In whole record we are selecting a record whose id is 10. Pretty simple, right? Now if you look into the where clause, so equal to, greater than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and these are the pretty much similar. So let's look into the not equal to, right? So now I'm going to again write a select statement, and here where clause I'm going to write not equal to, right? And here I'm going to put a condition on fee not equal to, let's say 6,000, right? So it is going to select all the records except a student who is having fee 6,000, that is not going to select. So let me show you. See, if I press enter, then here you can see all the students detail have been selected except a student whose salary is 6,000, because not condition we had applied. Not condition also you can use something like this, not equal to, like this. You'll get the same result, right? Let me clean the terminal, and again let me select all the records from the student. Now so if you look into here, so already we have seen not equal to, then between you can apply also, right? So if I do select a star from a student where I can see, I can do the like id between, of course between either you can write in capital or small, doesn't matter, between let's say 5 and 10. That means what I'm doing basically, so here I'm selecting all the records, right, from the student table that starts from the 10, that starts from the 5 till 10. So 5 and 10 in 10 both, 5 is the starting and 10 is the last one, and both is inclusive, so it will give the record starting from the 5 to 10, right? So that's how basically between operator works, right? Then like operator you can use, right, for pattern matching. So let's see how like operator works. So here what I'm going to write, again select a statement, and here in where clause I'm going to use, let's say name like, and what I want all the student details whose name end with the K letter, right? So here like, and in single quote I'm going to write a percentage and k. So I don't care before k whatever, but at last character I want k in the name, right? So if I press enter, then here you can see all the student details have been selected whose name and with the key. So that's how you can apply the basically like operator, right? Last we'll see in operator, right? So here also we can do like in, right? ID, here we can apply id, and here in id column we can apply in. Let's say I'm looking for the all the student detail whose id is 4, then 6, then 8, and then let's say 45 doesn't exist, but you can specify, right? If there is matching record, then that will give you. For us 4, 4, 6, 8 existing, right? But 45 id with 45 doesn't exist, but not a problem. But we have a matching for 4, 6, 8, and that's what we got the result. So that's how basically you can work with the where clause, right? And then you can filter the basically records based on the where clause. But it's not mean that where clause always works with the select statement. Of course, if you update some record, if you want to update some records or delete some records, then in that case also you can use where clause, right? So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you, and see you there in the next video tutorial.